Alright, so basically people there. Well, as you can see me in my kitchen, and from you know, see me in my kitchen and I joke thing. Well, basically more showing something where I don't really show everybody, but I feel like more showing them, cause something where can help you understand me? Cause I'm only on soon on WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram. You know, young people, yeah, in my age group. So I tell them, I'm in Jamaica, them not really telling them this, but I tell them. So basically, the site name COINBULB, right? And them give out money like bitcoins for watch ads. So you sitting down watching the ads, them, you understand me? And them will basically give you bitcoins. So the more what me do basically is you have this site go up on. Alright, for sure say I'm not joke thing. Them not actually say yo we are give money. So money. I watch them other hand and yeah best have CBR money I build up. No. Them actually give you bitcoins, which is internet money. You understand me? These are well, bitcoins are money where you can actually spend online. It's not physical money, but it's, you understand me, it can be used on the internet. You understand me? It's not fake money, real money. It can be transferred into real money. It can transfer to real money. You have a Bitcoin wallet which you can transfer the bitcoins to. That's why you transfer the bitcoins to Bit wallet. They transfer to your PayPal. They transfer to your Payoneer card. You understand? But that's how you get the money physically in Jamaica. The bitcoins them add up. So each ad you watch, you get more bitcoins. You understand me? More ads you watch, more bitcoins. It's easier as that, you know. Till you reach a certain amount of bitcoins where you can withdraw. Once you withdraw that now, you can transfer the bitcoins to your Bit wallet. You understand me? When you have a Bit wallet, that is where the bitcoins stay on the internet. It's like your wallet, but it's on the internet. You understand me? Yes. So basically, what you can do from the Bit wallet now, you transfer the money to your PayPal account. Once you transfer the money to your PayPal account, easy. How I get the physical money to me in Jamaica, I have this. I have a Payoneer card. So basically, this is how I would transfer the money from PayPal to this account. This is a US virtual bank. See, I'm not joking people, a real thing. So that has my name on it. I have my account number. It tell you that US currency, tell you when it expire. It's a MasterCard. You understand me? You have your own PIN number and everything. You understand me? It's not. It's very simple to even get this. I'll make an video on how to get this. And it's very easy. Most people on their phones every day and they watch ads. Me watch ads, you watch ads. Every day ads over here for you. Sometimes on YouTube, Facebook you see ads. So and maybe you watch them, maybe not. But this they actually pay you to watch them. So it's not like just as long as watch free ads. They actually give you money to watch ads so they can make money also. You understand me? So it's like I give and I give, or I win and I win. You understand me? No hassle. They're not trying to scam you. They're not asking you for any money or anything. There's no sign up fee. It's free sign up. You sign up, you start view ads on the go. You don't have to pay them nothing. You understand me? Because by you watching the ads, you're paying them. How they gain from it is by you watching the ads. They watch it. They get money from that. When you watch the ads, they get money from that, so they give you back. You understand me? So when you actually watch and click the ads and watch it, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, most ads stops. You understand me? It's not like a 1 hour ad or a half an hour ad. It's a 10 seconds ad, 20-second ad stops. Watch that, you get the bitcoins and just build up. You reach a certain amount. Once you reach a certain amount, boom, do that. Withdraw it, you send it to your Bit wallet, transfer it to your Bit wallet to your PayPal, then easy. And it doesn't take like days to do that. All of that is electronic. So the only process would take like a day is when time from PayPal to Payoneer. I'm going to leave a link in the description, or I'm going to give you a link. I'm going to send out a link where you guys can actually find it. Yeah, you just Go on it, sign up, free of cost, start watching ads. These are that, or use a Gmail account or an email, and no sense. So all you need that is. So yeah, basically that's it. Thanks for watching.